Jacob takes Esau's blessings, and his mother sends him off to his uncle's house in Haran. He stays away for a very long time. Upon his return, he sends messengers to his brother Esau, and his messengers bring a curious message and tribute to Esau, who was at Mount Seir. Why Esau is in Seir and how Jacob knew to send messengers there is for another day. His messengers come back and say to him that Esau is coming to meet him with an army. To make a long story short, there is a reunion, but before that reunion, something strange happens. Why does Jacob continue to refer to Esau as my Lord, whereas Esau, after their reunion, embraces him and calls him brother? Why does Jacob prostrate himself 7 times before reaching Esau? The answer is not because he is being nice, because when he left home the last time, they were not on the best of terms. No. The answer is also not that he was trying to give the blessing back. Not today. So the question again, why does Jacob continue to refer to Esau as my Lord, whereas Esau, after their reunion, embraces him and calls him brother? Also, why does Jacob prostrate himself 7 times before reaching Esau?